Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Elevenlabs Real Voice Generator. Elevenlabs is one of the best platforms if you would like to generate real voice using AI. All you'll need to do to get started is go onto elevenlabs.io. Once on elevenlabs.io, as you can see right here, you will need to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on sign up. Once you have tapped on sign up, you will be redirected to a new page on which you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up using your email address, you will be redirected to this page. And by the way, you can use Elevenlabs for completely free, as you can see right here. And with the free plan, you will get long form speech synthesis, no commercial license. That means that if you would like to use it for YouTube and other monetary purposes, you will need to go onto their paid plan. But their paid plan starts off at $5 per month, as you can see right here. But if you just want to play around and test it out, you could use the free plan, as you'll get 10,000 characters per month, and you'll be able to create up to 3 custom voices and create random voices using voice design. But with the paid plan, you'll naturally get more custom voices, you'll get more characters, and overall you'll get more access. And if you want to go up to the $22 per month, you'll get even more characters and even more features using Elevenlabs. Once you have signed up, I want you to go right to the top, right where you see speech synthesis. Then you are going to be redirected to this page. And from here, you will be able to type in the text that you would like to get read. And you can also choose the voice that you want. So right where you see Adam on my screen, you can tap right there. Then you could play it to hear how it sounds. You could tap on play.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.
And you can scroll down and you can see different voices that you can use right here to do your narration. So all you have to do is scroll down till you have seen a voice or you heard a voice that you like better yet. I will also show you how to access more voices. And if you would like to change the tone of the voice or anything overall, you can tap on voice settings. From there, you will see stability. You could increase the stability. And also you'll see clarity and similarity enhancement. You can increase that if you want right here. Then you can also go down and right where you will see 11 English V1, you could tap right there. And if you would like to change it to multilingual, you could do that by tapping right there. Once everything is to your liking, you could simply tap right where you see the text box. And from there, you could type in the text that you would like to turn to voice or audio. Then you are going to tap on generate.
Hello.
And you can hear it right there. Once it has been generated, you could tap on download to download the audio file. Now to access even more voices, all you'll need to do is tap on Voice Lab or Voice Library at the top, better yet. Once you have tapped on Voice Library, you can choose the gender voice that you would like to use. You can choose the age. You can also choose the accent. So if you'd like to get British accent, American accent, African accent, Australian accent or Indian accent, you can choose. Then you are going to see sort. You can tap and you could sort it by trending, as these are the trending voices at the moment. You could sort it by the latest by simply tapping on latest. And then to preview any one of these voices, all you have to do is tap on sample.
If we did the things we are capable of, we would astound ourselves.
As you can see right there. And you can scroll all the way down. There are numerous voices that are on this platform. If we were to tap on load more, you can see there are numerous voices. And again, if we were to tap on sample,
Men are disturbed not by things, but by the view which they take of them.
As you can see right there, and this is a YouTube voice. Let's hear how it sounds.
It is the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it.
Once you have found a voice that you like, to add it, all you'll need to do is tap on Add Voice to Voice Lab. Then you'll tap on Add Voice. Then you'll tap on Finish. Once the voice has been added, you'll scroll back up Then from there, you are going to tap on speech again. After you have tapped on speech, you'll tap right where you see settings. Then from there, you could choose the voice that you have added now. So you could tap on the voice right there. After you have tapped on the voice, again, you can edit the voice settings if you want. Then you'll simply type in the text that you would like to use. So I can leave it at hello again. Then you'll tap on generate.
Hello.
After you have tapped on generate, now if you would like to create your own voice, you can do that by simply tapping on voice lab right here. And from here, you'll be able to clone a voice or add generative voice. You can clone a voice by simply tapping on the plus right there. Then from here, you'll tap on voice design, which will design entirely new voices by adjusting their parameters. So you'll tap on that. Then again, you can choose the gender that you'd want. You can choose the age group. You can choose the accent. After you have done that, you can choose the accent strength, as you can see right there. Then all you'll have to do is tap on generate, and then that's it. Another thing that you can also do, if you would like to remove one of these, you can do that, as on the free plan you'll only be able to have 3 generative voice. So you can remove anyone that you're not using. And then if you would like to go back to history to find any voice recording that you have done, you could simply tap on history right here, and you will see all of the texts that you have transferred to audio right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten.